Welcome to the Amishka Camp. We are at Ayas. We are watching Bennett's whatchamacallit. I honestly don't know why I'm here. So, besides the fact that I got invited. Bye guys. So this is part 2 of the vlog, part 2. And we have Jaren and Kay here. Ano ang masasabi niyo sa ating ganap, sis?
Crown him with many crowns.
He is king of kings.
How will you rate the program?
3 kasi blue.
Eh? Ay, yung PowerPoint? So we're just waiting for the program to start. So it's been 3 days. Hindi pa din sila nag-start. Wala na kaming kinakain dito. Candy na lang. Ganun. Look at this. Look at this.
Oratorio.
See that?
Ano ba?
Huh? So, some weirdo texted me.
Look at Celine, bro.
Bro. Update ko kaya pag day 4 na kami. We have a commercial before mag-start ang concert. So we're gonna be doing a what's in my bag video. Featuring Tommy Hilfiger. I like this bag because it has like gold hardware and navy blue. And I like navy blue and gold kasi parang sleek siya tingnan. So like, this is the bag itself and meron siyang gold hardware and it matches my watch. So like, ito yung pinili ko. Ganun ako mag-outfit. Yun ang tip. Pag mag-outfit kayo, dapat match sa shoes and watch or kaya watch and bag. Basta like mga accessories ganun. Anyways, what's inside my bag is water because hindi ako mag-thirst dito. Next is we have tissues for sanitation. Next is we also have candy. This is from Mentos. I like this flavor because it's so minty. It's like toothpaste. Sorry. Oh my gosh, toothpaste. I have lip gloss from Victoria's Secret. I like this flavor kasi lasa siyang candy. And I also have my wallet. This is also from Tommy Hilfiger. Di naman halatang favorite ko siya. Start now. Next is I have an inhaler. I have sinuses. Uy! Ay, wala na akong hydro. Next is we have my AirPods. Aba, magsa-start na. Bye, vlog!